ki khubor ka bate si TV
ka umdi basnyambat penjaslian Umrupa Premium Meghalaya.
Sophistication meets style. The stylish trendsetter Tata Curve SUV is in town. India's first coupe SUV is now in Shillong.
I wanna make up right now, see you whining, grinding, all on the floor like that.
Ka MP Berem Jangatura Parliamentary Constituency ka Agatha Sangma ka santri unai wing arajar phosau klapin pau bagi Paidbah kin Pynjop bet ya kertang jang National People's Party ka Dr. Mehtab Chandee Sangma ha election chiting samoi ka bansalong hagam begri ha khatlai tri unai wing arajar phosau ha ka jing karan bakilar pathai khubor ka Agatha Sangma ka laong bagi Paidbah ki kwa ban yoi ye ki kampendroi hapo constituency bakin Pynjop ru ye kertong jang NPP naman baka deiru ka bri ka wala biang ka kedan puli bak badan bentah ka kam syakri Paidbah ha ke imlang ka salang.
I think we have a very, very positive response from the people of Gambegri. I've personally talked to many people and seen the campaigns. It's going very well, and I really think that the people of Gambegri have seen the work of our Honorable Chief Minister, has seen the work of NPP and the government, and I feel that Gambegri wants to be a part of that, to have an MLA who is part of the government, who will help bring about better development and better schemes. So I really feel that the people of Gambegri are looking forward to voting in this election, and they will definitely look at the government of the day. They will look at our Honorable Chief Minister and also our candidate, Mrs. Mehtab Sangma. She is a very, very qualified candidate, has had a vast experience, in public life. So I really feel that the combination is wonderful and we will see good results. I think that's a very unfortunate way of looking at elections, because I feel that eventually, we who are in active politics always have to ask for votes from the people, have to go and work really hard and campaign, and there is nothing wrong for if the Chief Minister is spending time going and campaigning. There's nothing wrong with the ministers campaigning, because it shows how serious we are about even one small election. And I think one lesson that we have learned over the years is to never take any election for granted. So giving your full might and making sure that we have positive results, being available to the people of Gambegri. I think that's a wonderful way that the Honorable Chief Minister is going about campaigning. Comments about it. All I can say is I wish him all the best, which I already did. And I really hope that he does justice to this term that he has, and he does justice to the post that he's holding. Because being a member of parliament requires some serious introspection, and you can't just make silly comments and take that as the work of a member of parliament. So there's a serious work to be done, and I really wish him all the best. Honestly, because I think all of them are very good candidates, and I think all candidates deserve to be given the credit for that. So I don't know about who's going to be the second, but I definitely know that we are the front runners in this election. Definitely a very big blow to me as an individual, but I realize that it's the will of the people, and I have to accept that graciously, and we have to learn lessons from it. And I think moving forward, there are so many things that one can still do. So yes, it was a very big defeat for me personally, because it's something that is close to my heart. But yeah, it's part of being in politics, winning and losing. You win some and you lose some. You rise again? Let's see. Fate will decide that. But I'm here to work for other people, and I'm really happy I have this opportunity.